Okay, so in this video we will be designing a multi-area OSPF network using Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so basically I already created the topology, or we can say that diagram, as you can see in here. So there are three routers in area 0, as you can see in here, and there are two more areas basically. One is the area 1 and the another one is area 2. So basically right now I didn't any configuration didn't do any configuration like the IP addresses. So first we have to give the assign the IP addresses, and inside that we have to give the commands for the OSPF. Okay, so now let's start. First I open the notepad and I writing the commands in the notepad, so we directly copy on our router. Okay, so now let's start. On first we have to give the router one, and just give me